Hi guys, good morning, how are you? Hope you're having a fantastic morning. Today we're gonna do something new. Pumpkin, this little baby here, amazing. We're gonna be doing a pumpkin chutney that goes with almost everything as a side dish. We're full of side dishes in the Seychelles, we love this. Nobody would ever have a meal, a plain meal like a fish and rice. No, there'll be pumpkin, lentils, papaya, everything, name it. We always need a side dish. So here we go, let's start. So first of all, you peel the pumpkin and then you cut it up into cubes. And like you can tell, the water is already starting to boil. Then you put it in the water and you boil until it is totally, completely soft. Once it's soft, then you use a fork and you more like a mash. You mix it, sure it's completely mashed. Then you add all the ingredients. Let's see. Now we cut it into cubes. If you are wondering how we call this in Creole, how we say this in Creole in our language, ziomo, similar to French, very similar to French, so we call it ziomo. The right way to say it is satini ziomo. So in it goes, and bring it to a boil. Let it boil until it's completely, thoroughly cooked. Normally, if there's excess water, you throw it out because there shouldn't be water left in. And then you just mash it like that. Make sure it's like a puree, similar to baby food. Now in goes the onions. Slice onions. Put the fire a little bit down. Okay. A little bit of oil. Just a tiny bit. Salt. Pepper. Chili, lime juice, and done.